I'm super excited to share how I made this delicious sauce. This sauce is so versatile that you can use it for any food of your choice. You can add it to your rice, spaghetti, pasta, or whatever you like to have it with. So I'm dropping this video for my kitchen lovers and kitchen beginners. I have all my ingredients ready: chicken breast, broccoli, mushrooms, carrots, bell peppers, onion, fresh parsley leaves, and garlic. I'm starting off by peeling the carrot skin. I like to do this to remove any dirt or potential contaminants, or you can still use them without peeling the skin, but make sure to wash them well. I will also give the other veggies a very good wash to remove any harmful bacteria. We don't want to transfer those into our meal. There is a lot of information I will be showing in this video: how I'm cutting, how I'm dicing, frying, and all of those, because I want my kitchen beginners to actually see the entire process. Just follow along with me. After watching this video, you will be able to make the sauce in no time. It's super easy. So let's make it.